Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. It's another video, another day. So today I'm going to be talking about how I made around, I think it was like $8,000 today. Slightly less than $8,000, maybe 7,000 something dollars today, using again a very simple strategy. Very simple. So currently on the screen, I'm on the Microsoft 1 minute chart. I usually don't trade on the 1 minute chart, but today I got kind of bored of doing the same strategy again and again. So I was like, let's just try something new. Let's spice it up a little bit. You know what I mean? So we're on the 1 minute chart. So the way this strategy works, it's called the opening range breakout. Like, I haven't made the strategy. It's already, it exists, but it's called the opening range breakout. And all this is you choose a time frame. Now I'm on the 1 minute time frame. You can do any other time frame really, but I'm on the 1 minute time frame. And what you do is, I have my bodies off. Wix. So what you do is you take the high and low of a candle that just opens, and then you mark it. So this is the low of the first minute, right? This is the low right over here. So we draw a line. Right, this is the low. The high is right about here. Then what we do is, I see slightly higher. And then what we do is, when one of these levels are breaked, we enter a position. So if this level is breaked, so the stock's going down like this. Like, let me just, can I draw it over here? Brush. Yeah. So if the stock goes down here, we enter a short position, right? If the stock continues going up like today, we enter a long position. That's kind of, there you go. That's kind of the whole point of the strategy. Now there's ways you can do it where you can kind of wait for a retest and then, do it there. But again, it really just depends on how risk adverse you are. So today, for example, this was the high of the first minute and this was the low of the first minute. So I was like, fine, whatever happens now, we're just gonna enter position. I do not usually do this, but I was feeling a bit spicy today, So anyway, second candle opens up, second minute, and as you can see, it doesn't break the low of the first candle, but it breaks the high of the first candle. So that means it's a long position. So we enter a long position somewhere around here. And then, again, I always say this, now we need to find resistance points to sell the stock. So we look back, what's higher? And it's pretty far back, but eventually we'd finally find some resistance points to be able to sell the stock. And so I must have found some points over here, somewhere over here. Must have found them. Again, I don't know, because all the way back, we get the point. And kept holding, and as soon as it hit those resistance points somewhere around here, sold it, and make a nice small gain. Again, this took how many minutes? Like 1, 2, 3, 4. It took about 4 minutes, and I made about like $8 grand. So it was pretty quick trade. Very simple trade. Now, the thing about strategy is it does not work every single time. So, let's see if it works. So over here, as you can see, it could have worked because obviously it went down. That's fine. Over here, it definitely worked. Over here, definitely worked. Over here, definitely worked. Over here, definitely worked. It's actually, I just realized that actually is a pretty good strategy. Okay, well, that's nice. So that was the whole strategy. Very simple. You can do it for pretty much any ticker symbol, any time frame really. I just prefer the 1 minute because it's pretty quick and a lot of liquidity as well. That's another thing. If I'm trading now and I want to put in, let's just say for example like $500,000, it's gonna be a very long time before I actually get filled, right? But if I'm just doing it within the first couple of minutes, like look how much volume there is. $74,000 of Microsoft shares, which is crazy. So that was the whole strategy. That was kind of it. If you guys do like these videos, make sure to do like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And that's about it. See you guys on the next video.